What's up everyone, it's Wardrobe2 and welcome back to a very cool lunchtime review. And here we have the McDonald's meal, and as you can see, I think they recently changed their picture for the McDonald's logo. Like they always have like showing you what kinds of nice foods they have, like fish, Big Mac, all that stuff. So, we got me some napkins right here. Napkins to keep clean. And the first thing you're going to see is a packet of fries. And these are really tasty. McDonald's, only the best, world's famous fries. And, whoops, get that out of the way. The premium chicken sandwich. Yep. Look at that. Look at that delicious meal. Wow. So first thing you're going to see is a nice artisan style bun with, I think, mayonnaise or something, ranch, lettuce, tomato, and then below that we have a nice crispy chicken fillet with a perfect bun at the bottom. So, yeah. It's really tasty, and if you're wondering why there's so little fries, it's because I ate most of them already, so, get a nice bite at this. The chicken is nice and crispy. And looks like some romaine lettuce. And yeah, I would recommend this probably 8.3 out of 10. I think they should have added a little bit more, like, yeah, I think they should have added maybe a combination of fish to it. Maybe that would taste better. I think they should have made like a premium fish crisp, like fish fillets kind of thing. Not a fish fillet, but like a grilled fish style kind of burger. But overall, I really love this burger. I think they should have put special sauce or something on it. But other than that, I rate it 10 out of 10. So, yeah, thanks for watching.